Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best drones under $300 that you can buy right now. Whether you're an aspiring aerial photographer, a hobbyist flyer, or looking for the perfect gift, we've got something for everyone on this list. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. At number 5, we have the 2024 upgraded hand-controlled drone by Wyoming. This drone is a fantastic pick for kids and beginners, thanks to its innovative hand gesture control system and smartwatch remote. It features fun stunt capabilities, including 3D flips and automatic obstacle avoidance, making it an exciting toy for younger pilots. The LED lights on the frame add a cool visual element, perfect for night flying or impressing friends at parties. In terms of design, the Wyoming drone is lightweight and compact, measuring just 6.7 inches in diameter. It's built from durable ABS material, which can withstand the inevitable bumps and crashes that come with learning to fly. The upgraded batteries provide up to 16 minutes of flight time, which is decent for this category. However, this drone lacks a camera, so it's less suited for those who want to capture aerial footage. Overall, this drone is a great value for kids aged 8 to 12 and beginner flyers. While it doesn't offer advanced features like FPV or a high-quality camera, its ease of use and durability make it a solid pick for anyone looking for a fun and safe flying experience. Keep in mind that it's more of a toy than a professional drone, so manage your expectations accordingly. Coming in at number 4 is the Cyma Remote Helicopter. This product is a bit different from the other drones on our list, as it's a traditional RC helicopter rather than a quadcopter. It's a great option for kids and beginners who want a stable, easy-to-fly helicopter for indoor use. With its sturdy alloy body and dual protection system, this helicopter is built to last, even if it takes a few crashes during your learning curve. Performance-wise, the Cyma helicopter offers a stable flight experience thanks to its gyro stabilizer and altitude hold feature. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing about 8 minutes of flight time for a total of 16 minutes. While this is on the lower end compared to other products on this list, it's perfectly reasonable for a small RC helicopter. The one-key takeoff, landing functionality, and dual speed modes make it easy for both kids and adults to operate. This helicopter is best suited for indoor flying due to its lightweight design, but it's an excellent choice for those who want a reliable, straightforward flying experience. The lack of a camera or advanced features limits its appeal for more experienced pilots. But as a durable and affordable option for beginners, it's a great pick. At number 3, we have the Foldable drone with 1080p camera. This foldable quadcopter is packed with features that make it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists. The 1080p HD camera with an 80 degrees adjustable lens allows you to capture sharp photos and videos, which can be streamed directly to your smartphone via the app. It's perfect for taking selfies, recording family outings, or even inspecting hard-to-reach areas. The Foldable drone shines in terms of usability. It comes with 3 control modes: remote control, app control, and even voice commands. This makes flying intuitive and fun, especially with features like 360-degree flips, 3D stunts, and waypoint flying. Safety is also a priority here, with propeller guards, low-power alarms, and emergency stop functionality included. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes, thanks to the 2 included batteries, you'll have plenty of time to explore. While the camera resolution isn't quite as sharp as some of the 4K models higher on this list, the Foldable drone offers a great balance of features, performance, and price. It's ideal for beginners who want a fun and reliable drone without breaking the bank. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Tizzy Toy drone, a foldable FPV drone equipped with a 4K camera. This model is designed for intermediate users who want high-quality photos and videos without spending a fortune. The 4K camera features a 120 degrees adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle view, allowing you to capture stunning panoramic shots and share them easily via the app. The Tizzy Toy drone is powered by brushless motors, which are more efficient and durable than their brushed counterparts. It also features optical flow positioning and altitude hold for stable flights, even in breezy conditions. With a flight time of up to 40 minutes, provided by 2 batteries and a carrying case included, this drone is perfect for outdoor adventures. Additional features like gesture control, 360 degrees flips, and multiple speed modes make it versatile for both fun and functionality. However, the drone's size and weight might make it less portable than some other models, and beginners might find the range of features a bit overwhelming at first. That said, the Tizzy Toy drone offers exceptional value and performance for its price, making it one of the best choices in this category. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the DJI Neo 3 battery combo. This lightweight, regulation-friendly drone is packed with premium features, making it the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a high-quality flying experience under $300. The 4K UHD camera captures stunning, stabilized video, while the subject tracking and quick shots modes let you create professional-grade footage with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo is its controller-free operation. You can launch the drone from your palm and control it using either the app, voice commands, or an optional remote controller. With a flight time of up to 54 minutes, thanks to the included 3 batteries, this drone offers the longest runtime on our list. DJI's renowned stabilization technology ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions, and the full coverage propeller guards make it safe for both indoor and outdoor use. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the DJI Neo justifies its price with its performance, ease of use, and build quality. It's perfect for photographers, vloggers, and anyone who wants a premium flying experience without breaking the bank. Simply put, the DJI Neo is the best drone under $300 in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this countdown of the top 5 best drones under $300. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Which of these drones caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. See you in the next one.